How much should you actually spend on 1,000-watt LED grow lights? It's a tricky question because you'll find tons of budget options, yet some pricier ones promise top-notch performance. But price doesn't always mean quality, and today we're uncovering the best options out there. Product number 1, BESTVA DC2000. The BESTVA DC2000 LED grow light immediately caught my attention with its sleek black design and impressive specs. Priced at $129.99, it promises healthy growth without burning a hole in your pocket. If you want a reliable light that supports all growth stages, this is worth a serious look. This efficiency means lower energy bills and a lighter carbon footprint. Plus, it mimics natural sunlight closely with its full spectrum, featuring wavelengths ideal for both leafy greens and flowering plants. It also comes with adjustable modes tailored for different plant needs, which is super handy. Now, some people complained about a bit of noise from the cooling fans. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your indoor garden, a little noise is a small price to pay for effective cooling and extended lamp life. It keeps your plants safe while ensuring optimal growth. This is perfect for you if you're a serious indoor gardener looking to support a variety of plants. Skip this one if you need something ultra quiet or if you're just dabbling in growing. Now, if the DC2000's price point feels a bit high for you, the next one on my list might just fit your budget while still delivering quality performance. Product number 2, FESI-1200W Equivalent. The FESI-1200W Equivalent LED grow light is a budget-friendly choice at just $59.99. Its attractive price and solid ratings of 4.6 stars made me curious. If you want a light that covers all growth stages without overspending, this one is worth a serious look. The full spectrum output from 380 to 780 nm means your plants will thrive from seedling to bloom. Plus, it's got a 0-100% dimming feature, so you can easily adjust the brightness based on your plant's needs. If you're looking to scale your setup, the daisy chain design allows you to connect multiple lights without needing extra outlets. Now, some users have mentioned that the light can get a bit hot during long sessions. I'll be real with you, while it's something to consider, the cooling system does a decent job, and most users find it manageable for indoor gardening. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a scalable option for a bigger setup. Skip this one if you're going for high-end, professional-grade results. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting something with a proven track record. Product number 3, Mars Hydro TS1000. Next up is the Mars Hydro TS1000, priced at $85.49, and it has an impressive rating of 4.6 stars from over 20,000 reviews. A lot of folks swear by it. If you want a well-rounded light with great coverage, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about the TS1000 is its patented reflector design, which increases light utilization by 25%. This means your plants get more of the light they need to grow, which is critical for maximizing your yields. It only consumes 150 watts, making it super energy efficient, and the full spectrum light it emits is ideal for all stages of growth. It even features a dimming function, so you can tweak it as your plants mature. However, some users have pointed out that the light doesn't cover very large areas. Here's the thing though, if you're working with a 2x2 or 3x3 grow tent, this light is perfect. For larger setups, you might need multiple units, but that's manageable. This is perfect for you if you want something tried and true for your indoor garden. Skip this one if you have a larger growing area that needs more than what it offers. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, KingLED KP1000. The KingLED KP1000 comes in at just $55.99, and with over 5,300 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's definitely worth mentioning. If you're after an affordable yet effective grow light, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to cover a 2x2 FT area, and it's pretty energy efficient with a power draw of only 100 watts, which is great for keeping your electricity bill low. However, some users noted that the lack of a dimming feature can be limiting during different growth phases. Here's the thing, though, if your primary focus is on getting your plants from seed to harvest efficiently, this light still delivers excellent performance without the bells and whistles. This is perfect for you if you want a solid light for basic indoor gardening. Skip this one if you need more control over light intensity or have specific high-end needs. Now, if you're curious about a fanless option that still packs a punch, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5, Spider Farmer SF1000. Last but not least, we have the Spider Farmer SF1000 priced at $69.99. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from over 12,300 reviews, it's a favorite among many growers. If you want cutting-edge technology in your grow light, this is worth a serious look. It delivers a balanced spectrum that supports all growth stages and has a dimming feature, allowing you to adjust the intensity as needed. Plus, the fanless design means it operates quietly, which is a big plus if noise is a concern in your indoor setup. Now, some users expressed that the initial price might seem higher than other models. Here's the thing, though, the 5-year warranty and quality components mean you're investing in something built to last, and that can save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your indoor gardening and want a reliable, quiet light. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget and need something more basic. So to recap, we've covered some solid options. The BSDVA DC2000 for full-spectrum versatility, the budget-friendly Phi Psi Da, the reliable Mars Hydro TS1000, the affordable King LED KP1000, and the advanced Spider Farmer SF1000. Each has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you. Happy growing!